Hey there guys, welcome back to another video here at Top Tier Garage. Today's the day, and you can tell by the video title, we are doing another Tekton Toolkit giveaway. This time around, we'll be doing a Tekton 1/4 inch drive kit. I got this kit about a year ago from the Meyer half off sale, and I figured I would do this in order to celebrate the 1,000 subscribers when we get there. So I'll be either giving this kit away once we hit 1,000 subs or January 31st, whichever one comes first. So in order to be put in for this Tekton Toolkit, there's only 3 things that you need to do, and it's not going to cost you a dime. The first thing is subscribe to the channel. The second thing is to like the video. And the third thing is to comment down below what your best tool deal of 2021 was. I'm curious to see what everyone got on a just crazy deal, and I'm also looking forward to what we're all going to scoop up in 2022. Thanks for watching Top Tier Garage.